So now let us see the right outer join. We'll see now about which one now, right outer join, here, right? So guys, now right outer join means it fetches the matching data from both the tables and also remaining unmatched from where, from the right table, sorry. Okay, from the which table, right table here. That means this is the matching data plus it brings the remaining unmatching from where, from the right side, from the right side. Means now complete data of product is coming, guys. Now complete data of product is coming. The previous case complete data of which left table came, customer table came, right? Observe now. In the previous case complete data of customer came, right? You see now. In case of left out join, what came here internally here? See now, complete data, right, of customer table came. You can see, right? You can see now. You can see, guys, here. That's all. So matching data coming of the left out both the tables, and remaining unmatched. Sorry, matching data coming from the left table and remaining unmatched also coming from the left table. Now also same thing, guys. Now here. Now also same thing here. So what happens here? So it brings the matching data from both the tables, and remaining unmatching also will come. Unmatching also will come, guys. Now, okay, right. Let us see the query for this one now. Let us see the query, guys, here. Same, guys, no, same process only. I'll take the selector. Then first of all take the from. We take the from, guys, here. From what's table name? Suppose customer. Then which one now? Right outer join. Which one? Just a product. Okay, product. Then on okay, customer dot PID equal to, right, equal to then product dot right PID enough. Let's take now. I'll take the star. We'll take the star, guys. Now just to use the reverse of the previous one, reverse of the left join only. See now. Now guys, what happened here? Now all of you observe here, right? So so what came, guys, here now? See now it again taking the one the matching data, right, from both the tables came. See now it's the matching data, right, from both the tables, guys. Now okay, matching data came. Remaining unmatched data came from where? From the right table. From the right table, remaining unmatched came. And opposite automatic what came here? Null values came. That means internally we got the complete data of which one? Complete data of the left table, right table came, guys. Now see, complete data of right table we got it. Complete data of right table we got it. Okay, right. So guys, here also I want to display the customers who I want to display the products. I want to display the products which are not buying by any product, any customer. I want to display the products which are not buying by any customer. Means table. See, lap is buying by whom? Sai, and product is bought by whom? Nani. Monitor is bought by Satya, and pen is bought by Rajesh, and table not buying by anyone. Mobile not buying by anyone. Book not buying by anyone. So guys, here what we do now, that we know, same like previous case, where PID is null, where PID is null. Which PID is null here? Which PID is null? Which PID is null? See, guys, now which PID is null? I said that PID only, but which PID is null here? Here is
Left
coming.
table.
See, guys, now yes. Now all of you observe here, we got an error called ambiguous error, guys. Now ambiguous error means this error will rise when it has the confusion about the columns names. When the engine has confusion about the columns names, it gives the ambiguous error. What's confusion here? You specified PID. Which PID? Does it, you are writing the query, you may think that this PID from the which one customer table. You may think like that, but how it considers, how it thinks, it has the confusion. That's why it says that ambiguous column name PID. Okay, so I have specified now. You specify either customer.pid or product.pid. We must give the clarity for the engine so that it executes very happily. If it doesn't have the clarity, it will throw error. It will throw error. Okay, right now I'm taking here which one? Customer data, customer dot pad, customer dot pad. That's all, guys. Now there's no confusion for the engine also, right? So what came here now? All came, right? Fine. Now we got all products which are not buying by any customer. And I don't want this all null values because no data of customers, right? Then why to display null values? That's why what I want here, I take now the star from where? From the product table only. Then I take here product dot star. That's all. Then that star from where? From the product table means all columns in the product table, guys. Now product table. That's all. That's it, guys. Now, okay. And here also normally you can take the alias columns names, alias tables names. So you can take all. You can take all, guys. You can take all. Okay, fine. Now, guys, till now all of clear about inner join, about left outer, about right outer. Right. The next one is the full outer join, guys. Here, the next one is the full outer join. Okay, right. So, right, now all of you observe here. Now, let us see how to work with full outer join. Full outer join, okay? Full outer join, right? So, what is the meaning of full outer join? What is the meaning of right full outer join here? All of you observe clearly here. So, it is used to fetch the matching data from both the tables. All of you, please mute the mic. Matching from both the tables and remaining unmatched from the left table, and also remaining unmatched from where? From the right table also, guys. Now from the right table also it takes remaining all the data. Okay, Anusha, please check once your mic. Anusha, all right. Now, guys, observe here. So what it's saying? It's saying that full outer join means we take the matching data plus remaining unmatched from the left table plus remaining unmatched from the right table also. That means now this matching data coming automatically plus plus it takes remaining unmatched from where? From the left table and also from the right table also, and also from the right table also, guys. Now right table also means finally we're getting all the data, we're getting the matching data, remaining left table, remaining right table, all data we're getting, guys, here. All data we're getting here. Okay, right. Now practically I show you query, guys. Now let's go to the okay here. Now all of you observe now. So same again, right? I will the select first of all, then now from we'll take the customer as C, then I'll take the full outer join. We take the which one, right? Product as P. Then here now on C data, right? C.pad equal to P dot pad. Now I take the first star. Star means all columns from both the tables. Right. Now all of you observe clearly here. So this is with three parts, right? Three parts here. Now you get three parts. What's first part here? The first part is which one now? Like matching data comes here, right? Matching data will come plus which next one, right? Next one is the observe, guys, here. I'll take now, right? So match data came. Next one, unmatched, right? Unmatched from where? Unmatched left table data, left table data. Okay, plus unmatched right table right table data, guys. That's all. Matching data, unmatched from the left table data, left table, unmatched right table data. That's all. Okay. Now those three parts, guys. Now I'm going to show you here. Observe now. Okay. Now all of you observe clearly. The first one, which one? Matching data, right, from both the tables. See now, this is the matching data, guys. Now this is the right matching data from both the tables. Okay, that is the first part over here. That's the first part over. The second, unmatched from where? Left table, unmatched left table data. Now all of you observe here. This is the unmatched right left table data. Unmatched left table data. Second part over. Third part is the unmatched right table data. Unmatched right table data. Unmatched right table data. That's all, guys. Now that's it. So guys, finally we have the complete complete left table data is there. Complete left right observation left table data is completely, and also guys and also completely have the right table data also is there. Maybe null values are there in the middle, but finally guys we have the completely right table data also. Okay, that's why I said that here. So full outer means it will bring the matching data from both the tables, and unmatched from the left table, and also unmatched from the right table. Okay, right table. So guys, here in the remaining same, guys, you can alias name. These are all common things. These all are the right common things, guys, here. Okay, fine. Now what about the cross join, guys, here, right? Cross join. Now all of you observe here. Now all of observe here. Cross join means, I said, right, it's like a cross tab join, cross tab, or we can say that it's a product, m by n product, here. So for inner join we use the word inner join. For left outer we use the left out join. These names we are using, guys. Now these names we are using for the joins, but here always outer is optional. Outer is the optional, that word optional. Okay, when you come to the cross join, right? Cross join, here simply, guys, we use the comma, like customer comma product we use. Okay, product we use. Now just observe, guys, here. I'll take simply here, right, select I'll take from customer comma we use the product. That's all. Then I take the here star, or we take the simply, guys, I'll take the product dot id. I take the whole IDs, guys. Now you can easily understand. I'll take next one here, customer, right? Customer dot id, PID. Enough, PID. Okay, enough, guys. Now so product ID, sorry, here PID, right? PID. Enough. Sorry, right. Now all of you observe here. Now all of observe here, right? You can see here, you can see, right? You can see now, right? So one with two, one with three, and four, and five, and six, and seven. So the one part is observe, actually the values are 1 2, right, 3, 4, and I think here are 5. Okay, 5, 6, 7, guys, values. Okay, and here 1 2, okay, 3, and 4, and 8, 8, 9, 10, guys, here. Okay, now see the combinations here, right? 1 1 combination is there. Okay, 1 2, next, right, 1 3, 1 3, and 1 4, and 1 4, 1 5, and 1 6, and 1 7, means up to here over, that's all. Next, again 2 1, then 2 2, then 3 3, so 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, 2 7. How many actually, guys, now how many are there here, right? 7 are there, right? 7 are there, 7, right? So now each one takes seven relationships, right? The one takes seven relations. The two also takes seven relations, right? Because it matches each one. Three also takes seven relations. Okay, then 4 also takes 7. 8 also takes 7 because it's matching with all the values, right? It also takes 7. It also takes right, takes 7 here now. 7 here. Now, if you sum this all, then guys 7 into 7, right? Around you get the 49, guys. Now we get 49 rows now output, guys. Now how many? We get the 49. 49. That's why I say here the 7 and here 7. 7 into 7, how much here? 49. That's why I said that m by n, m by n, guys. Now m by n. Okay, m by n, m by n. Right, guys. Now if you go down now, you can see, I think display somewhere. You can see in the corner, right? You can see in the corner, guys, displays how many rows now? 49 rows, right? How many? 49 rows. Okay, so it's about, guys, now it's about the